Did you know Rome's greatest speaker invented a word that would outlast the empire itself? Cicero created humanitas, the idea that our humanity comes from how we treat each other. But words weren't just philosophy for him, they were weapons. When Mark Antony threatened Rome's freedom, Cicero stood before the entire Senate and called him a drunk and a coward. Speech after speech, he destroyed Antony's reputation with nothing but truth. Cicero knew what would happen. His friends begged him to stay quiet, but he had learned something from the Stoics that changed everything. Your duty to others matters more than your own safety. When Antony seized power, he ordered Cicero's death. They cut off his head and hands and displayed them where he had given his greatest speeches. Antony thought he had won, but here's what he missed. Cicero's letters show he was terrified. He had the same fears we do, yet he chose courage anyway. 2,000 years later, we still read his words. Antony is remembered only as the man who killed him. The tyrant is forgotten. The truth remains.